guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and let's get right into this video. So today we are trying the new Makartt House of Florist Polygel kit. I am so excited to try this kit. There are 12 colors in here. This is like the first big Makartt Polygel kit I have ever gotten and I am so excited to use this. So let me open it up and show you what comes in this kit. So here's what the box looks like and it shows you all of the colors here. So here's what it looks like, and here is what comes underneath all the polygels. So we have some dual forms, and then we have the little booklet here with all the instructions. We got some base coat and top coat, a 100 and 180 grit hand file, a polygel brush, and then we got all the polygels. Let's get swatching. The first color we got is Carnation. It's a very bright white. I'm not even gonna try and say some of these names. Yeah, this is the next color. A really pretty nude. Next is Morning Glory. Next is Water Lily. This color is called Iris. Marigold. Rose. The next color, which I also don't know how to pronounce. Ooh, pretty. This one is called Lily of the Valley. This one is called Daisy. And the last color is Daffodil. Alright, so here are all the colors that come in this kit, and I am very happy with this color selection. I mean, we got pinks, we got every color basically. The next thing I would like to show you guys is Julia jewelry. We got some new jewelry today, and I'm just gonna show you what I chose, and oh man. Julia Jewelry is probably my favorite jewelry company. Just look at what I got. So obviously you get the bag and you get the little pamphlet that comes in every time you get something from Julia. And I got two things today. And first we're gonna start off with this bigger box right here. I got this, I got this really beautiful necklace. I literally wear this every day. It is my favorite thing to wear. I wear this all the time. It looks so good. There's something about this, like the letters being separated, that is just so nice. This necklace is so nice. It goes with everything. And I literally wear it every day. So yeah, it's really good quality. It doesn't tarnish or nothing like that. I don't remember the cost of this necklace, but it'll be on the screen, everything about it. The next thing I got is this ring, which, oh man. So I got this in a size 6.5. I honestly wasn't sure what size to get. So it doesn't fit my ring fingers. It fits my middle finger. I would honestly get a size 6 next time so it could fit my ring fingers. So yeah, it matches the tennis bracelet I got before, and it's just so beautiful, this ring. Those are the jewelry pieces I got from Julia, and I'm just very happy with them. But if you guys are interested, Julia has really beautiful jewelry pieces. I definitely recommend it. So yeah, that's what I got, and let's get right on to this video. I have not taken care of these babies in so long. I feel so bad. So I'm just gonna first start off by clipping down the growth of my nails. Then I'm going to push back the cuticles, and then I'm going to cut my excess cuticles. Okay, now I'm gonna take my hand file and I'm just going to smooth out the free edge and remove the shine from my natural nails. Now I'm just taking some 70% alcohol and just wiping off all this dust to make sure I have a clean base for my nails when I glue on the nail tips and, you know, apply the base coat and stuff. Okay, now these are the nail tips. Oops, you can't see. These are the nail tips I'm going to be using. They are the long stiletto. Well, I could have sworn I bought BU nail tip on Amazon, but yeah, now it's this brand. I don't know. I'm a little confused. And I just put this tiny rubber band on it because this box does not clip closed. This could spill at any moment, and I went through that too many times, so I make sure to close it securely with a rubber band or tape or whatever. I got my nail tip sized out, and now I'm just gonna take my KDS glue and glue on my nail tips. Now that I got the tips glued on, I'm just going to cut them down. Oh, so tiny. Short nails are so cute. Now I'm just going to take my hand file and shape these tips a little bit. Okay, now that the tips are shaped, I just gently shape them because you don't really need to shape the tips to perfection because you're gonna put polygel and then you're gonna shape again. So I am just going to remove the shine from these nail tips, as well as blend the nail tips in with the natural nail. I just cleaned off the nails from the dust, and now I'm going to go in with some Young Nails primer and put on primer. I'm gonna put 2 layers on each nail. Okay, now I'm going to take some base coat and apply base coat to all of the nails. Okay, so here are the 3 colors I'm going to be using. If you want to see them here, I'm going to be using this nude color and marigold and this red color. I'm going to be doing a 3-colored ombre, and I'm going to be adding these little cute leaves. The base of these nails are looking pretty good. So let's get into it. I'm going to be using 70% alcohol as my slip solution. I'm going to be using the polygel brush that the kit comes with as well. And let's get started. I think I'm gonna do... I need to plan this out, 1 second. I think I'm gonna do it nude, red, and then orange, because I feel like red at the tip is a little strange. That's just what I think. We'll always start with the tip color, so I'm going to go in with marigold and put a small bead at the tip of my nail. And already I really like this color. Hey, how y'all doing? I'm finally back from not posting on YouTube. I know it's not even a big deal. I mean, I have been literally struggling with school. I'm hanging on by the tiniest thread. And that's what I've been doing. Honestly, not posting on YouTube makes me more stressed than posting on YouTube, if that makes sense. Like, I don't know, something about not posting on YouTube just makes me feel more stressed. Anyway, so finally I'm back and posting a video. This video has taken me so long to edit because I've just been, I edit it for like a few hours and then I stop editing it and then I come back the next day, and it's just been a long process of editing this whole video. Honestly, doing the voiceover is probably my least favorite part, not because of me having to talk, it's just because when I have to edit the voiceover after, and sometimes I just don't know how to speak. So editing the voiceover becomes oh my god. You see what I mean? Editing the voiceover becomes really annoying. We're doing some fall themed nails. I went to Petco because I took my sister to, she wanted to buy a fish. So we went to Petco and we bought a fish. And the cashier lady, she looked at my nails and she was like, they remind me of candy corns. And I was like, oh, thanks. They're not supposed to look like candy corns. Yeah, no, that's not what I was going for. I can see how she sees that because the orange color looks kind of yellow and the red looks kind of orange. Not really on camera, but in real life, yeah, a little bit. So I see how she could see that they look like candy corns. I wanted to do like, you know, Thanksgiving colors, red, orange, yellow, but I didn't want to use the yellow because I felt like that was too much. Too much Thanksgiving. So I just went with the red and the orangey, like mustardy color. It's not really mustardy. Mustard is really yellow. But I mean like this orangey color. Those are the colors I went with, and I think this set turned out really cute. And then when I added the hollow leaves, the leaf decoration, I think the set really came together. I love me a good ombre. I've done many 3-colored ombre videos on my channel. I'm basically just doing the first bead, that orange color, and then I ombre that down and then I cure it in my nail light. And then I take the red color and then I ombre that in the middle of my nail, or I blend that with the orange and then blend it downward. And then I take the nude color and that's my last bead, and that's how I get my ombre. I'm pretty sure in my other ombre videos I go more in detail, but I'm honestly not sure. If you do want to watch other ombre videos, I have a bunch on my channel. You can watch them if you like. Did you guys like the new intro? I just felt like after taking that break, I feel like I wanted a fresh start, and honestly the last intro, I'm gonna be honest,
it just wasn't enough for me. I feel like this intro is a little more planned out a little better, because the first intro, I literally picked a random song. I'm talking about the pink glitter intro, not the Halloween one. The Halloween intro was really good and we all loved it. But I mean like the pink glitter intro. That one was quick, put together really quickly. The song, I didn't even like the song that much, but this intro feels good and I really like it, and it's really cute and I love the song. So yeah, that intro is what we're gonna be sticking with, obviously, until Christmas. So literally for the next 1 or 2 videos, that's the intro. But after Christmas, we'll probably come back to her unless I get bored of it and pick a new intro. For the ones who care, I've been really struggling with my school, struggling with classes, and it was just getting to be too much. I was worrying about YouTube too much. I was worrying about my school, and I just wanted to do nothing. I think you guys understand about the feeling of you want to do nothing, but you have so much to do. That's how I've been feeling the past 2 weeks, since the beginning of the semester. I was like, you know what, we gotta put YouTube on the back burner for a second, because I just need a while to not worry about editing a video and to just make sure I'm getting my schoolwork done and, you know, and in check, and I have a plan to get my grades better. A lot of videos I need to do. I have a lot of videos that I want to do. I have so many like nail ideas and nail designs that I want to do, but it's just nails take a long time. I can only do one at a time, and I get tired literally after one hand. Anyway, this nail set. Let's get back into this nail set. Next thing that we're doing is I'm taking this clear acrygel. I like using this one better than clear polygel, just because, I don't know, I feel like all the clear polygels I've used are just so stiff. So I like this liquidier polygel, at least for my clear, because it's just, I feel like it's very clear. Anyway, I just took a little bit of that, put that out the side of my nail, and smoothed it out a little bit, and then picked up my leaves and put them on the side of my nail in a slightly curved shape, and that's what I wanted to do, so I did the same thing on the opposite side of my ring finger. So that's how it's looking. And after I cured that, I'm just going to encapsulate using the clear acrygel. And I'm doing this paintbrush stroke technique to smooth out the liquidy polygel, the acrygel. And that is how I smooth it out. I also do this swirling technique sometimes too. It's literally whatever way you can smooth out this acrygel is the way you should do it. This is just what works for me, that paintbrush stroke and the swirling. That's how I do it. So I always put too much polygel, and on this pointer finger I actually put way too much, so I put that excess onto my middle finger. And yeah, so I didn't waste that much polygel. Yeah, I just basically encapsulated all the nails. You want to encapsulate because, first of all, we have those leaves, and the leaves kind of stick out, you know, so I wanted to encapsulate that. And when you have an ombre, you want to encapsulate so that when you go to file, you don't file away your beautiful ombre blend that you just created. So make sure you encapsulate. It is another step, and especially with polygel, it takes a little bit longer, but it is the sacrifice you have to make to keep your beautiful ombre that you just made. If you've never used acrygel, this liquidier polygel, I definitely recommend it for encapsulating. It can be kind of a struggle, but once you get the hang of it, I think it is much quicker than regular clear polygel. The nails kind of do end up a little bit like out of shape. I just think it's easier for me, at least. So next, I'm just taking some 70% alcohol and rubbing off that sticky layer of the nails. And now I'm taking my Makartt dust collector and my hand file and I'm reshaping these nails. I didn't really get to show you guys that much of my shaping. Usually I just literally speed it up and leave in the whole shaping part, but I was out of frame and some parts were out of focus a lot, so I just kind of edited out a lot of it. And yeah, so I just went in with my nail drill and I made sure to make the cuticle flush, and then I used my fine grit nail drill bit, and I basically like buffed out these nails. So here are how the nails look after they've been shaped and buffed. And now I'm taking this tiny drill that I got on Amazon. All of the stuff that I use for this nail piercing stuff, I'll leave it in the description. I got it off of Amazon, and basically I just took this tiny drill and I flipped my nail upside down and drilled a hole through the back of my nail where I thought the piercing would look the best, I think. You basically just want to do it to the side of your nail, and I did one on the thumb and the pinky. And the hole I made with that gold drill was just way too small for the piercing to fit, so I took my nail drill with my needle drill bit and made the hole a little bigger. So then I stuck in the piercing and closed it. It was actually very hard to do, very challenging, so I kind of edited a lot of it out. And on the pinky nail, I kind of made the piercing a little bit too in the middle of the nail, so it looked kind of strange. I didn't leave that much in because it was actually like hard to do and I was out of frame the whole time. So after we have the piercings in, which is the first time I've ever done nail piercings, by the way, so I honestly, for first experience, I think they turned out very good. It was hard to do, but they were really cute. After that, I'm just adding some top coat, painting top coat on all of these nails. So if you guys are interested in this Makartt House of Florist Polygel nail kit, I definitely recommend it. These colors are gorgeous. These colors are so beautiful for the fall time or for the winter time, because there's a lot of blues that you can use for the winter time, and I think this polygel kit is just so good. It's literally the first big Makartt polygel kit that I've tried, and I was not disappointed. I loved all the colors. The polygel worked good as always. The base coat and top coat were nice as usual, and the polygel brush was good. And I just really loved this kit, and I really enjoyed it, and I really enjoyed all of the colors. So if you guys are interested, all the information for it will be in the description. My code for Makartt, the Makartt website, is nailsbyvic. You can get 15% off, and it's worth it. After we applied the top coat, I'm just using my Dipped and Dusted Nails cuticle oil and putting a drop on each of the nails. And here are how the nails turned out. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I am very happy with this nail set. I think it is so cute. I understand maybe it looks a little bit like candy corn, but that's not what I was going for. I really love the gold hoops. I think the gold hoops and the orange leaves like really brought this look together. I hope I can post more regularly because it's like the end of the semester, so you know what I mean. I'm at my last, what is it, how do you explain it? I'm about to finish and I only have a little bit left to go, so I'm like trying my hardest here at the end. By the end of November, I'm most definitely going to be posting regularly again, I hope. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. If you are interested in this Makartt polygel kit, all the information for it is in the description, and yeah, I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.